Morning everyone. I'm going to show you better because you couldn't really see in the dark today, last night. So that's the door frame. I had to bring it out a bit because I was planning on making my own door at the time, but now that I have one got kind of, I'm just going to put in, this is the door now. It's going to go on here. It should fit perfect inside that. Over here then, as you can see, we need the piece here and I need something for here. So I might have a look around. There might be something small I could use there instead of buying a whole piece of timber for it. It's only to stop the, you know, the hold the plastic in when it's in there. That's another thing. How do I tie it? Now I was thinking of cutting it in half or something, the size that I want for here, because this is the biggest. If it was cut to that window there in the back is smaller, so you might be able to get it in then. And it would bring more light inside because it's very dark. Right, I'm gonna wash my wellies because everyone's coming with me today. And oh, there's a piece of plastic there I missed. I can cut that off. Right, I am going to say goodbye to you all, and hopefully we'll get something done tonight. Right, catch you later. Bye. Alright everyone, back in the shed again, and I have one window in. I'll show you there quickly. I'll put it on. Ah, there we are. I'll show you the back outside in a minute. There we go. Probably see better outside. 1 second. We'll show you the big window first, one I put in. The first one I put in, I should say. I'm actually chuffed how it worked out. I might actually put a piece in the middle to strengthen it. Not a piece, I need a 2x1 when I say a piece. Oh, look at that. Can't wait now when it's daylight I can actually pop a look at it. Look at that. That turned out really nice. And that's the other window. Yeah. Now, all I need to do now, oh yeah, of course I have to cut all that off. We'll do that now Saturday. And I'll try and get those bits of timber now for here. Here, haven't decided yet what I'm going to use. Well, I have. I just need to do it actually. I'm going to put a piece of timber all the way up, kind of like an L back, and I'm going to make it, put over it, and screw it on. I'll do it to all sides, and then here, I'm not sure what to do here yet. I might just, what I do, I might put a moulding or something, or maybe a lat this way as well, or overlap it down over this or something. So yeah, we'll see. We'll have a look at it. I have to do something here as well. Yeah, it's turned out nice, that. I can't wait now to see which light comes in. I have to fill up this as well with insulation, not insulation, but expanding foam, sorry. Because, you know, this thing here can't do with anything. I'll take it off. No, that's better. Didn't look right there, like that. Yeah, I'll get some expanding foam next day, and we'll sort it out better. That looks better now that I've torn off it there. Yeah, that's better. So, yeah, that's my work for outside at the moment. Next, I'm hoping to put the door up on. I've got the hinges already, and I've got the fixtures and stuff like that now. I've even got handles for it as well, that were left over from the house. So yeah, looking forward to doing that now next. I was hoping that my new electric plane would be here. But, I haven't got it yet. So still waiting for it. I got a hand plane. I can use that. It's fine. Not the end of the world. Yeah, I'm chuffed at that. Right, I'll catch you all later, guys. Morning, everybody. Said I'd show you the shed now since I've finished it. I'll take that off. I don't need that now. So, I have. We've done all the, the window looks well set there now. I put the silicone around it so it won't be bringing dampness. And I've gone around the side, outside and the inside, just in case there's any dampness coming in afterwards. But it's looking well. I'll show you. Bins in a lot of light. Oh, no second, we'll turn off that thing. Yeah. So it looks like inside. I couldn't show you what it was like inside last night because of the, because it's been dark and everything. But looking well now. Yeah. That down a little bit, coming back in again. Right. So that's what it looks like on the outside. I put that middle piece in. Remember, I said it was to strengthen it. So I might put another piece in and make it look nice as well. But yeah, that's the shed, and that's the other window from outside. I'm chuffed with it. And solid job. There's no movement at all. Look. Yeah. That window. A nice solid job. I was going to put battens on it, but there was no need, That stuff sets very strongly anyway, so there's no worry about that stuff coming off, I'd say. It's really, really strong, that stuff. It's brilliant for that kind of look. But yeah, that's the window's done. I was tough to get that done because it was driving me mad. It's so dark in there it was so dark without him before. So it's done now. I might take a few photos as well just to show. Well, I have a thumbnail, I suppose. I recorded this already. For some reason it didn't record properly, but I'll show you quickly. That's the wardrobe. Bought. It's fun trying to put all it together and making sure the parts don't get lost. Oh man. So tomorrow I'll be doing the back of it, and hopefully this is the same day that I did the door frame on the shed, and so tomorrow I'll probably get the 2x1s for the rest of the windows and things like that, and I'll continue with this. Anyway, I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed. Catch you all later. Bye. Hi everyone. I've just finished the wardrobe. I don't know what time it is. It's 10:30. Took a bit of time trying to do it, but I was determined to get it done today. One second. I can't do that when it's open. Don't end up breaking it. And why is that not working? I'll have to have another look at that. There's something wrong with that one. I think it's just because they haven't been used yet. Yeah, I'll have to have a look. It is working. I promise you. Yeah, that's a nice wardrobe. A lot of space. We'll have to get one for our own room next. Right, catch you all later. Morning everybody. Don't worry, I'm not going crazy and sitting inside the shed. For no apparent reason. Now I've come in to check out the roof, make sure there's no leaks. I've done it right. looks fine. I overlapped it well enough anyway, I'd say. It's nice sound, you can hear the water falling on the zinc. I have to wait till the real bad weather now to test out the windows. Hopefully they're good. I can't see why not. I mean, I'm going to strengthen the big window here more if I can. You know. Or tonight, what I'm going to do, I'll show you. Put some light on because I can't see what we're doing. So, as you can see, there's a big gap here that runs outside. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy some expanding foam and put it along here. It's probably going to take a whole can, I'd say, to fill it up. And then I can, then once that's filled up, then it should stop any draft going up there. I know, look, I'm putting the piece of timber here anyway, but it'll be an extra bit of protection towards it, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I can hear Riley getting in the car and getting ready to go away, so I better shoot off soon. So the door, hopefully we'll be doing that the weekend. My friend is dropping it off for me, and I'm gonna get Mike then to pick it up for me, and two of us will probably hang that now if the weather's bad. It's bad today actually, surprised. Right, I better shoot off. I'll talk to you all this evening maybe. I've got a few things I can do. I know I finished the wardrobe and all the big jobs on the shed are kind of done, but I need to make a bench here somewhere. I'm thinking a small bench just for doing odd jobs, you know, fixing the chainsaw and whatnot. I've got a big piece of plywood that was left over and a few bits of cut-offs that I can use, and then yeah, that'll be something for me to do. Oh, and I have to pick up timber from a neighbour. I helped out a neighbour with getting medication for him yesterday, so he's given me free timber. So I got like 7 bags of timber off him, which is grand. It means I don't have to start the chainsaw. Well, I'll have to start the chainsaw soon. That reminds me, this weekend, because it's a long weekend, I need to get my buddy Paddy up, and we'll have to cut that tree. I don't want him doing it. He's going to tell me what to do, basically, because he's an expert. He knows all about that stuff. Anyway, I better go. I'm going to be late. Morning, everyone. Busy day morning again today. I have I'm late now getting up this morning. But, I'm gonna feed my animals, and we're supposed to dose them today. So I'm just waiting for Mike to come. Well, he's not here. He's not here yet, but he'll be here soon. The other problem I have now is I forgot about the bank's been closed for the next couple of days. But I've heard that the credit union is open till 2 o'clock in Killarney, so I'm gonna have to go all the way over there and get money for, you know, sheep feed and stuff, and for ourselves. So the joys of it. Right, I'm gonna get these lot fed, and we'll see. I might get time to do some jobbings. I want to get the door for the shed today, but we'll see. We might have time. Right, I'll see you soon. I suppose you'll see me after this. Hi everyone, got something to show you. Myself and me is afraid of the dog.
Daddy, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's Peppa Pig.
Is that
How? I wonder.
Daddy Pig?
So we finally have growth. Our onions are starting to go. Huh? There's one there too. And there's one over there going. There's a heap of them going. Look, the white onion is starting to go as well. Myself and Mia's onions are starting to go. Haven't showed herself yet. She'll be delighted. Unfortunately, I made a boo-boo yesterday. I meant to put money in my account, so I forgot it was a bank holiday weekend. And now we're caught for money. I have to go all the way to Killarney to sort out money for the rest of the week, the next couple of days. I completely forgot. And the annoying thing about it is AIB is closed, so it won't go in now. With the money I put in from the credit union, won't be there now until Friday. Oh, sorry, Tuesday, which is not good to me. So, it's just fucking everything is going against me today. It's one of those days. I was supposed to dust the sheep today. I can't because now we have to go to Killarney, which is going to take the whole day. I'm so annoyed. Anyway, I'll talk to you all soon. Hey folks, late finish again. I promised myself I wouldn't do it, but we were kind of late coming back, and then I had to go feeding, giving water to the cattle over near the farm, and I had to go twice. Poor things, they had no water. I sorted now. So I got my door today as well. Fair play to Joey, he dropped it off for me. He didn't even tell me he was going to drop it off. And it was over in the other farm for me. So, I want to show you what it looks like. Oh, I don't have to turn that. That's good. Just finished doing it now. There we go. Perfect. I did have to cut the length of it, alright. But the width was perfect. I added another stick on here and it was fine. It's got a locking system here. I was going to do it this way, but I wouldn't have enough room and I don't have the keep for it. The keeper. It's fine. It'll do grand. Oh, I'm chuffed at that. Looks well with it. Herself is delighted. We've got a door on the shed. Now, I've got these small jobbings left now. Making my bit of a bench. This is timber, I'll just put it in for now. Neighbour gave it to me the other day. I think it's on part of the video actually. But they're for shelves off the old wardrobe, so I'm going to put that in. I filled up my form here, but I thought one can would do it. It didn't really go far. I'll come back again and get another one and do it. I might do the same on this side. If I know how much I need to put on this side, I'll know for the here then. I don't really need to do it on that side because it's already done on the sheeting, but just for safety, stop the draft from coming, any draft coming in. But yeah, I'm chuffed with this. And I've also a locking system here for locking inside. It was fine. Yeah, if I do come across the keeper for this, I'll put it on it, but look, I don't have it right now, so it'll be fine. And I don't have a lock, the key for it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. It'll do for now. But I'm chuffed at this. Great job. Yeah, it didn't take me long at all. Now, I better start uploading this video. See you all soon. Bye.